Hi everyone, my name is Ryan Van Veen and I am a middle school language arts teacher at Sacred Heart School, and I am recording a brief video tutorial on how to invite guardians to join a class, how to remove guardians from a class, and how to email guardians, and in fact how to email students in your class. So right now we're looking at the classes created for me for our introduction to Google Classroom. And so the first thing we'd want to do to invite guardians is you go to People, and then right here is a list of students that are invited into my classroom. To invite guardians, you simply click here, and then up here we would type in the email address and or the name of the guardian. And once we have done that, then we would click invite right here, and that would send the invitation to the parents or to the guardians, and then it's up to them to accept or not. Okay. Over here on the three dots, this is where we are able to send emails directly to students. It's a pretty handy function that I use on a fairly regular basis. Okay. To give you a little bit more information, I'm going to reference one of my classes that I actually use on a daily basis here at Sacred Heart. Right there, this is what it looks like once we have invited guardians into our classroom. These top three are examples of what it looks like after a parent has accepted the invitation. This right here is an example of a parent who has not yet accepted that invite to join as a guardian. Once they haven't joined as a guardian, over here we have some more options. I can email the student right here. I can email the guardian directly from here. I can send an invite to another guardian to add more guardians, whether it's a mom and a dad or stepmoms and dads, whatever the situation might be. And then this is where we would remove guardians from the class. This is pretty handy. As I said, it's something that I use on a very regular basis, and it's much easier than navigating back and forth between documents and different programs with enrollment and stuff like that. So pretty easy to use. Hopefully this has helped.